If you know what to eat as far as the proper foods go to losing weight, the number of recipes you can make is pretty much endless. There's so many different combinations you can make and come up with. And that's one I'm going to show you today. I think most of you are going to enjoy this recipe and the good food and flavor that it is. And hopefully, this will bring you some ideas on your menu planning and will help you lose weight on your weight loss plan. Let's get into it. Hello, my friends. Welcome to My Weight Loss Life. My name is Greg. How you doing today? I hope everything's going your way. Got a great show for you today. Gonna bring you a new recipe that my wife and I tried the other night, and it was delicious. Let me tell you. I'm kind of excited to share this with you because I think you're really gonna like it, and it's something that I know people enjoy. It's just when you're on a weight loss plan, you can't eat pasta. Well, let me tell you, this stuff is good without any pasta, and you're gonna love it. It's chicken and broccoli fettuccine, and I had it over some egg life wraps. Basically, I cut those into noodles. It was really good, but you know what? You wouldn't need the egg life wraps for it to be good. You could just put it in a bowl and really enjoy it. Why don't I give you a little bit of breakdown of what's in there, and just to kind of give you an idea, I will put the recipe below, so look for specifics there. But there's 3 tablespoons of butter. We got some boneless, skinless chicken breast. There's some salt. There's pepper. There's a little bit of chicken broth in there, some frozen broccoli that's cooked, of course, garlic powder, cream cheese, heavy cream, Italian seasoning, grated Parmesan, grated pepper jack, grated mozzarella, and some basil in there. Like I said, all the particulars will be below, so you can look for the amounts there. And I'll tell you how to cook it and put it together. But let me tell you guys, this dish was amazing. And I'll kind of show you some video here of what we did. But this is what the finished product looks like coming out of the oven and after being on the broiler. Looks delicious. It's going to be good. As you can see, it turned out well, guys. It looked really good. It tasted really good. And it was pretty easy to make. I don't know, it's probably an hour in the kitchen, between getting it ready and cooking it. I think it bakes for like a half hour roughly. But it was really good, guys. It was good on the egg life noodles, or wraps basically, but you wouldn't need that. I think if next time if I was going to have it over egg life wrap, for noodles, I'd make it saucier, maybe add some more whipping cream to it. Their heavy cream, I should say. Add that to it to make it a little bit more saucy, but it was delicious, guys. Easy to make, and it was very tasty. My wife and I both gave it 2 thumbs up, and I want to say on a scale of 1 to 10, we're going to rate it a 9. I think it's totally worth it. I would make it again. You could do a little variation, maybe use a little less chicken, a little less broccoli. That way you have a little bit more sauce, add some more heavy whipping cream. You can add a little more butter, get a little more flavor in there. But the flavor was amazing anyways. But this one we're definitely going to keep and try again. Maybe just adjust a couple things just to see how it turns out, have a little fun with it. Kind of like I said at the beginning of the video, it's pretty much endless on what you can do as long as you're eating the right foods. Do you want to eat a lot of broccoli? No, but you can eat some. It's okay. On my weight loss journey, I lost 100 pounds in 8 months, and I was eating broccoli pretty regularly with some chicken. It can be done. You can have broccoli as long as it works for your digestive system. Just don't go overboard on it. I ate a lot of cauliflower too on my journey, but once you know what works for you, the recipes are endless on what you can make. And I just want to thank Brad and Trish, friends of ours, for giving us this cookbook that Trish put together that they use to lose 90 pounds themselves and change their life. and we wanted to give this recipe a try, and it was amazing. It was good. Looking forward to me making it again. It should be really good. But just wanted to bring this to you today. The recipe will be below. Give it a try. I definitely give it a big thumbs up, and it was really good, guys. So you can't go wrong with that. You know, you're going to see more videos from me like this, showing you food items, trying to give you some ideas on what you can cook. You know, if you're doing proper meal planning and you know, doing a menu, you can eat a lot of different foods. You aren't stuck to just a couple items. You can eat many items as long as those foods work for you and they will help you lose weight. You know, you got to keep that in mind. You know, a lot of times people look at some of these foods, how can you lose weight on that? But they don't understand the proper human diet. And that's why. And, you know, you might want to follow along on my channel and go back, review some of my videos. It'll show you how I lost the weight, you know, and some of the foods I've been eating along the way. So keep that in mind. But look forward to bringing you more menu items, more recipes, and hopefully you like the video. But we'll see you again soon, my friends. Take care. God bless.